One sunny day in early spring, a sheep did quite a curious thing. She peeked beyond the meadow gate and saw a girl, her playground mate. The little girl with ribboned hair was swinging high up in the air. "Sheep," she called, "come play with me." And sheep came trotting happily. She tried the swing, it went too fast. She tumbled off and laughed at last. Then to the slide, so big and wide. "Sheep," the girl said, "let's take a ride." Up the ladder, step by step, she climbed up with careful pep. She reached the top, her eyes grew wide. Sheep don't usually slip and slide, but with a whee and woolly cheer, she zipped right down with fluffy rear. She landed soft in sand below, with giggles bouncing head to toe. They dug a fort, they built a hill, they played with joy, with heart and will. The sun sank low, the sky turned red. The girl said, "Time for tea and bed." But every day when skies are bright, the sheep returns from morning light, to swing, to slide, to laugh and play with her best friend the whole long day.